Hi guys, and welcome back to another of my videos, or else I should say welcome back to Unicorns Rock. Ooh, yes. And today we will be playing an obby, which I haven't done yet. I have not done an obby yet. But today I'm going to be escaping the fidget spinner. I don't know how I'll be escaping it if it's all the way over there. But why is there a fidget cube and some devil things? So apparently I'm the only one playing, which is actually really cool, but I can't get VIP. I don't have much Robux. I wasted it all on clothes and other stuff. Oh my god, guys. I like died super slow, but my hair just popped off. That had to be like the most funniest thing. I've never played by myself. I've never played by myself in Roblox. Yeah, I haven't. Did I get it? Oh. Leave. Ah! That was a close one, too. Guys, watch. Look at magic. What? You guys are probably like, what? Let's see that again. Ta-da! I'm not dying. Oh. Oh my god, my head. Well, me it's the other one, so that's fair. I have played this obby before, and you can't jump because it doesn't work. I tried. Even here, look. Whoa. See? It's like an invisible wall. Why does my shadow look like Minecraft? Hiya, hiya, or like Mario. Mario. I am horrible at voice. What do these evil flowers involve? They look like from Plants vs. Zombies. Like these are like zombie plants. I guess they're fidget spinners, zombie fidget spinners. And then this is like zombie flower. Like I guess those are zombie flower fidget spinners, and then these are leaf fidget spinners. Just so you guys could hear. It has nice music. I can hear it. I feel like this music is like in The Sims. You guys are probably like, why can't you just walk across that? You should have remembered that. These look like sweet tarts or Smarties. I like this music. Oh no, I know what I'm thinking. Not The Sims. This is from Adopt Me. This music. Oh god, these trees are evil. What the heck did I just think? I'm at stage 11. Get out of my way. Yes. Whoa. I can go in the rings. I said I can go in the wings. I can go in the rings, which is kind of weird. Don't fail on me now. And you guys are probably wondering, like, why can't I just go on Elo2255's account to do obbies? Well, this is like I want to do my account more, cause like it would make sense. But on my computer, I will soon have a Roblox account. Once I have my new YouTuber account. By the way, guys, this is one of my YouTube channels. I have another one, but I'm not telling you the name because I feel like you guys would just like watch the other one mostly more than this one. But like this one, we're trying to stick to it, and yeah. Oh god, they're killing. I didn't. Whoa, it was killing me even though I was already dead. Oh god, that was a close one. Oh, I'm at 20 because it already tells you there. Oh, I love it. Guys, this one tricks you. Look. You can't. You have to go pink. It's a pattern. You have to only do pink, blue, pink, blue. Look, guys. See? You'd probably think that they wouldn't do that, but yeah, they trick you. It's kind of like a trolling obby right over there. Like when it's over there, it's like it trolls you. This is super easy. I'm at stage 22. I wonder how many stages there are. Actually, I've played this before. There's like 50 stages. I'm at stage 23. I think I'm getting close. I have finished this before, but yeah. Yay. It's like hard to see the blue because like it matches. So I like always die over spinning there. Okay, I'm actually super good. I haven't had that much death. I can't even say it. Oh god, that was a close one. Guys, you must jump. Oh, that's too powerful. Why would you need admin commands for an obby? I guess you could just say fly me and then it just like, you fly, right? Like you fly, then you can just cheat. Okay, I would get that. Whoa. Did you guys just see that? Why is it killing me? What? Can you not go on that side? What? Why am I facing that way? Is this okay? This side's okay? Is that side okay? Am I okay? What? Oh god, that was a weird. My head! Oh my god! Did you guys see that? Okay, that was like super funny. I can't. I'm like crying. What? My head was spinning in the sky. Like it was falling, then it started spinning as it was falling. And then my arm just came in and just whacked it. And then they were both gone. It just disappeared. That is psycho. I hope that doesn't happen. And then What? Whoa, okay guys, now that was creepy. It just turned my head into my torso. Or else my torso just got like Maybe I should do this way simple. Don't spin. Yes, disappear. You shall disappear instead. I keep thinking I have to go over there. Yes, guys, we made it. See, guys, yes, guys, we made it. Yay, my head won't spin over again. Eyeballs not killing me. Look, guys, I'm in the yellow for my health. I'm not in the green anymore. Is my head gonna spin? Is my head gonna spin? Oh! Yes! Okay, that was super good. Okay, guys. So guys, I was just getting a chair because like we're in our kitchen. It's like Llewellyn and I. Okay. I think you guys pretty much. You guys only see my tablet. You guys probably would. Oh, you guys. Whoa. That was my. Oh. Right when Dexter went thud, I like died. I'm in stage 32, guys. I'm gonna make it. Well, I know I'm gonna make it. I have to make it. Why does my head keep spinning? Oh, that was weird. Okay, so, Ooh. Ah! It's always that one. It's like it has an invisible ball. It's like a stage 32. It's impossible. Or it's just that I'm horrible at obbies. Oh, yes! It was because I was horrible at Arby's. Okay. I said Arby's. I'm horrible at Arby's. What the heck? Oh, people have joined. I'm horrible at Arby's. Not Arby's. Okay, people have joined. As you can see, all the way over there. They're over there. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, I'm at stage 33 and they're only at stage 0. Oh! It's because my screen is so zoomed. Okay guys, here's something that tricks you. You have to go between those colors. You have to go between. Yeah. You have to go between. Try to make it. Yay! Rainbow farts. It's rain. Oh, guys, if you've seen this Snapchat, it's like a unicorn, and then when you open your mouth, it looks just like that, just coming out of your mouth. It kind of makes me dizzy. I have to do it. I like stage 39 and 40, they make it like easy. And at stage 38 and 39, they make it too easy. They're just giving you a break. I said stage 40. No! Oh, that was like, what? Okay, guys, here's where it tricks you. Nope. And I went through the sky. I'm at stage 41. So you cannot go on the pink. You may not go into the pink. What? Did you guys see that? I was like still there, and then it was like someone just like, it was like a ghost. Just hit me. Well, like in Roblox. Oh my god, this looks like Photoshop clouds. Probably was Photoshop, I bet. Are you kidding me? I was not by myself. Oh, yeah, I'm not by myself. Okay, we're at stage 42. No, we're at stage 43. Ooh, this looks fun. I don't remember this. No, I'm kidding. I do remember it. Oh, because this is like, oh, this one's hard. You have to take your time on this one. I always die on this one, like mostly. Yeah, I just died all on that one. Why is my head spinning? Guys, oh my gosh, guys, we're so close. We're at stage 46. We can make it. We can make it. We can make it. Come on, we're almost at stage 50. Come on, guys. Guys, we're at stage 48. Oh, guys. Oh. Come on, guys. We just have like 2 more stages. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we gotta get this one. I just slowly fall. Whoa. It's funny how I die though. Whoa, my head's floating. It's levitating. Guys, yes, guys, we made it. Guys, we made it to victory. Victory, 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 victory. Oh, yes, we made it to victory. It says jump into the pipe. Okay, guys, if you can't see, it says, oh, it's blurry now. Fix the screen. Sorry, guys, if you don't see it for a little. They're just fixing the camera. I am. So it's not as blurry. Oh, so guys, we made it. Guys, we made it, finally! And it looks like the guy's saying, jump into the pipe to play Mega Easy Obby. Let's not do that. Oh, I look cute. Let's pick a body. Guys, what body should we pick? Ooh, what's this? I want this body. What? What do you mean? Oh. What happened to me? Oh, I thought it was cool. Let's see. Let's pick these. But I had this body instead. I want my skin back. I want my skin back. Whoa. Cool. Guys, look at Dominus. Ooh, Dominus. Oh, I got a Dominus on me. That's cool, but I don't want that. Oh, yep. We just removed my head. Oh, just like this hair. Don't give me any other hair, because I would like to stick with this one. Lime, red, and blue. Yay! Ooh, what's over here? Oh, there's other faces. Ooh. Oh, it's like an anime face. You like my anime? I'm anime. Oh, that's cute. What happened to my hair? It's that. Ooh. Yeah. I look cool. Is there anything else? Anything else? Over there? No? Nothing else over here? What stage are these people on? They're stage 1 and they, oh my god. I finished. I'm gonna type in I finished. I finished. Good. I finished. I finished. Okay guys, let's do walk speed 100. Whoa! 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 No, it's not gonna be the end of the world. Don't worry, it won't be the end of the world. I don't want that. I want this. Oh. Yay! Guys, look how high I can go. This is so cool. No! Yeah, I gotta keep tapping. Guys, look at this. Ooh, I'm so fast. You can't even see. I can't even see. I'm gonna go down. Let's go down. Whee, let's go down. Did I disappear? No. Guys, we made it. We're just gonna watch me. I don't even know how the heck we are. No. Let's help out these people. Let's go. Hello. Whoa! I died! Well, that was fun. Well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I don't know how to say it. Bye. Ah! Whoa, what is happening? I just picked randomly. Oh, bye.